I look really ugly right now, which means that it can only get better. So, I already filmed like an intro to this video, but I kind of don't know what I'm doing. So I had to do it again. But basically this is my first video, and I'm going to be doing my makeup, and it's going to be this look, and I'm gonna like show how I do my makeup. And I don't wear makeup like hardly at all anymore because I just don't care. But whenever I do, this is basically what I do. It's really simple and stuff, so just watch the video to see how I do that. So the first thing that I'm going to do whenever I do my makeup is my eyebrows. So I'm gonna use this little eyebrow brush, and then I'm gonna use the mirror in here because I have a mirror behind my whole setup thing, but I realized that there was no point in that because I'm blind and I can't see, so that mirror is completely useless. Also, I don't know why my skin like absolutely hates me today, but that's like disgusting. So I'm gonna take care of that. So I'm gonna start on my foundation next, and I use this one. It is CoverGirl. Now that my foundation is done, then I'm going to use the concealer stick, and it's like the same thing because this is like CoverGirl, and you know, it's basically the same thing. So then I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to be doing powder, and I put it in the lid, but it's this stuff. It's really good. But first I'm going to be taking this. So while this is sitting on my face, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. And what I'm going to do first is put concealer on my eyelid. So then I'm going to be taking the palette that I'm looking at, which is this. Look at my setup. Kind of crazy. Anyway, it looks like this. It's the chocolate palette, and it's pretty cute. I'm going to be using this color right here. So then I'm going to be going in with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be taking this color right here, which is darker than the other one, and I'm also going to be mixing it with the one like right underneath it, like those two. Okay, so I kind of fixed it a little bit, and now I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this color and that color, and I'm going to mix them on my finger, actually, because I think it just goes on easier, and I'm going to put that in the middle. So that is what that looks like, and then I'm going to go, and then I'm just going to blend it in. Okay, first of all, I'll get this off. I'm just blending in all that powder that I had, and when I was in the middle of my eyeshadow, I took off the powder on my forehead, because my forehead is really dry, and if I leave it on too long, then it will be gross. So I turned off one of my lights because I think it makes the lighting better, because I'm already like ridiculously white. So maybe that. So now I am going to do my bronzer, and I'm going to take this brush at first. So now after I did that, I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to blend this out. So next I'm gonna do my highlight, and I'm gonna take the same palette that I used for my eye, and I'm gonna take this again. And I clearly like my highlight. So whenever you see me and my face is exploding with highlight, just mind your own business. So that is that. So now comes my favorite part, the end. So now I'm going to be doing my lashes. So first I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going to take my mascara, and I'm going to do that. Now I'm going to be putting on setting spray. So let that dry. So this is what the makeup looks like. As you can see, I think it is pretty cute. I know like the camera quality can be like real. I don't know, I feel like the camera facing this way has a lot better quality and stuff. So this is what the end looks like and everything, and this was my first video. So you should like it and subscribe, because I don't know if I think I'm gonna be doing more. This was kind of fun. Okay, bye. Okay, and then when I'm at what? Okay, so this is like shit.